In this video, I will show you how you can improve your AI art. So let's jump straight into it. So to do this, I'll be using Stable Diffusion, and what I'm going to do is just enter some prompts into here. So you can see I've gone for an anime style boy with a red jumper, blue eyes and long brown hair. So if I click on generate image, this is going to go ahead and start generating the image. And as you can see, we have our full generated images. So they're not bad, but it feels like something's missing. I mean, they're okay, but they're not very detailed. So you might have tried different things in the prompts. For example, you might have put like upscale or 4K maybe, just some things that you found online. And if we click generate, let's see what happens. So we get something like this. So if anything, this is not really that good. It's not really made much of a difference. The pictures still feel quite blurry and sort of washed out with the colors. So the hack I'm going to give you today is actually to use the negative prompt box down here. Now what we're going to do in here, we're going to put low quality, then a comma, and put worst quality after. So what this does, this basically removes this from the positive prompts. So it basically, in a sense, upscales it. So you'll see what I mean. So if I actually put this and click generate image, I'm going to keep everything else the same. And you can see that straight away, these images are a lot better. They're 10 times, if not 100 times better. You can see I've changed nothing at all in the positive prompts. All I've literally done is added these two to the negative prompts. So I'm going to show you another example just so you can see how effective this actually is. So let's go now for anime girl, blue eyes, long blonde hair, green jumper, happy. So again, generate image, and again we're back to that original state where the pictures themselves, they just, I don't know, it just feels like there's something missing. There's not really much sharpness. The colors feel washed out. So again, what I'm going to do is in the negative prompt, I'm going to enter those two prompts, and this is all you need to do. In the negative prompt box is enter low quality, a comma, and worst quality. For the positive prompts, I'm going to keep that exactly the same and click onto generate image. And as you can see, again, we have some much better images, which are a lot more sharper. The colors are more vibrant and bright. And this is all from these two prompts. So that's a quick little hack that you can do to actually improve your AI art. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.